ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ತರಗತಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಈ ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಜನರಲ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ರೀಸನಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರಿಂಗ್ number series. In my previous lecture, we had considered multiple choice questions related to alphabetic series. ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ತಮಗೆ ಈ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕಲ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿ ಇರುತ್ತದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಅಂಕಗಣಿತದ ಸರಣಿ, ಜ್ಯಾಮಿತೀಯ ಸರಣಿ, ಅಂಕಗಣಿತ ಜ್ಯಾಮಿತೀಯ ಸರಣಿ. ಈ ಸರಣಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರುತ್ತವೆ, ಅವು ಮುಂದೆ ಬರುವ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನನ್ನು ನೀವು ಅರಿತಿರುತ್ತೀರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂಥದ್ದೇ ಸರಣಿ, ಅಂಕ ಸರಣಿಯನ್ನು ವಿವಿಧ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. Number series aptitude questions present you with mathematical sequences that follow a logical rule, based on elementary arithmetic. Friends, you should be able to good in elementary arithmetic, not much more. If you are knowing elementary arithmetic, including knowledge of such series, arithmetic, geometric and other kind of the series, the pattern in which the number appears, obviously you will be able to tackle the multiple choice questions related to number series very easily. ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಸರಣಿಯ ಆಪ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳು ಪ್ರಾಥಮಿಕ ಅಂಕಗಣಿತದ ಆಧಾರದ ಮೇಲೆ ತಾರ್ಕಿಕ ನಿಯಮವನ್ನು ಅನುಸರಿಸುವ ಗಣಿತ ಅನುಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಪ್ರಸ್ತುತಿಪಡಿಸುತ್ತದೆ. Let us see how the questions appears here. In this type of multiple choice questions, a sequence of numbers are presented with one or more missing terms. Say for example, ಅತಿ ಸಾಧಾರಣ ಉದಾಹರಣೆ ಇದು. 44, 45, 46, ಮುಂದಿನ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಯಾವುದು? Obviously you will be able to tell 47. In exams such type of questions simples will not be there. However, this is a beginning where we try to understand that how the patterns appear in multiple questions related to number series, right? ಒಂದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚೇ ಕಾಣೆಯಾದ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳು ಇರುತ್ತವೆ. ನಂತರ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳನ್ನು ನೀವು ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅವುಗಳನ್ನು ಪರಸ್ಪರ ಸಂಪರ್ಕಿಸುವ ನಿಯಮವನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತದೆ. ನೀವು ನಿಯಮವನ್ನು ಪತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ ಕಾಣೆಯಾಗದ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯುವುದು ಸುಲಭ. ಹೆನ್ಸ್, given a sequence of numbers with one or more missing terms, you are asked to find a rule that connects to each other. Once you are able to find a rule that connects these number, that is the given numbers, you will be able to definitely deduce what will be the next number, right? Number sequence questions usually consists of 4 to 7 visible numbers, ಕಾಣುವಂತಹದ್ದು, along with a single missing number, or depending on the sequence complexity level, you might be getting 2 or more missing numbers also. Say for in this particular example, you can see that there are 2 missing places where you need to find the answers here. ಆ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಜೊತೆಯಾಗಿ ಬರುವ ಅಂಕಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಕೇಂದ್ರೀಕರಿಸಬಹುದು. Here 14, 21 and 28 are adjacent to each other. Once you concentrate on these particular number either from left to right or right to left, you will see that 14, when we add 7 to 14, we will get 21. When 7 is added to 21, you will get 28. Each pair of numbers, when considered difference with its previous number, a difference is of 7. A simple arithmetic progression it is. Hence, you will conclude that I should add 7 to 0 so that you will get the missing number 7, and to 28 I should add 7, so you will get the required next number here, right? This is the way more than one missing terms might be there here, right? All the term, remember that in a given sequence meets a specific logical rule, which you need to identify. It may be obviously looking at with your practice, it might be so easy to identify the rule, or in certain cases you need to work hard to tackle left from right or right to left, or split the given numbers into groups and check whether any pattern or rule you can find it here. Say the another simple series here. When you see this kind of number, obviously you will see that the next number is obtained by multiplying 2 to the previous number, right? 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 10, likewise going on. The next number easily you will tell that 48 multiplied by 2, that is next the missing number. But however, not such simple questions may appear in the examination. So, the multiple choice questions comes in different complexities, right. So, the rule behind the sequences given to you might be less significant. Obviously, in such cases you will be able to answer the questions easily here, or in certain cases the sequence appearing will be longer. Remember, longer the sequences in case of numbers, so the complexity may increase. So, where in the previous lecture I had told that with regard to alphabet series, so lesser the number of alphabets, the complexity may increase there in finding the missing letters here. So, there might be questions such that the missing terms appears early in the sequence rather than later, right. So, in such case, so less information is available from given sequences with so many early missing numbers, and you need to discern the hidden rule behind such sequences, where the complexity obviously increases. So, in certain sequences more than one number may be missing here, right. If it is true, this adds a layer of difficulty to answering the question here. Again, the less information, right, the less number of known items in the sequence makes it harder for you to recognize the sequences rule here. Obviously, looking at different kinds of such questions, so you will be able to recall the pattern very easily depending upon your practice, right. So, another type of sequences may appear as a combination of two alternating series, that you can split the given sequence into two or other number of groups here and check that whether one or more number of series appear in that one, and easily once you discern the series separately, you will be able to answer the missing places here, right. So, a logical rule that hides in the difference between the items might also be there in the given sequence. That is, when the rule is not hidden directly within the visible sequence, rather it is formed between the difference of each adjacent number, it is usually less apparent to answer. All right. So, let us start with number series multiple choice questions, taking first with different types of sequences, starting with simple sequences, right. So, a sequence might appear such that, so there might be constant difference between the sequence of numbers given. Either you read from left to right, sometimes it will be easy to discern the differences, or you can go from right to left also. So, any two consecutive numbers have the same differences in such kind of questions. So, for example, here, so difference between either 13 minus 9, so 9 and 5 or 5 and 1, you will find that there is a common difference, that is 4 here, right. So, this is a simple arithmetic series. With this you will be able to deduce the next number, that is adding 4 to 13, you will get 17 as the next required number here, right. So, in certain cases the sequence will be given, and if you observe such a sequence, you will find that the differences are increasing, not constant. So, in such a case, so this is the example here, you will see here that, so when I add 1 to the first number, I will get 2. So, to get the next number I am adding 2, that is 4. To get the next number I am adding 3, that is the addition goes on increasing in terms of a sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here, that is 1 I have added here, 2 I have added here, 3 here, 4 here, 5 here. Definitely next I have to add 6, 16 plus 6, that will give 22 as the required answer, right. Hope you got it. Not only the constant difference, it might be increasing difference also. So, obviously it might be decreasing difference, not increasing difference. The sequence might be decreasing difference when you look upon from left to right. In such a case, you can tackle the question, so from reading from right to left here. Say for this particular example, you can see if you attend from left to right here, you see that the constant difference, that is goes on decreasing, that is 16 minus 11, that is minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2. So, what should be the next number, that is 1, you will get the 1, that is, so 2 minus 4 is minus 2, 4 minus 7 is minus 3, right, 7 minus 11 is minus 4, 11 minus 16 is minus 5, hence here the difference we should have minus 1, and easily you can discern what will be the answer if I take minus 1 as the difference here, right, got it, right. So, the other kind of series, just taking the difference pattern may not be just constant or increasing or decreasing. So, you can find, so that the numbers are either in terms of squares or perfect cubes here. Say for example, this is the example. So, if I look at that one, so taking the differences might not yield me the fruitful pattern here, but when I take the squares here, that is 1 square is 1, 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25, right. So, 7 square is, that is 1, 3, 5, 7. So, definitely the next number is 9. So, that is the square of the numbers, those numbers are having the missing differences of right. So, 1 3 5 6 7, next will be add 1 9. So, 9 square 81 is the answer here, right. It is not so simple if you come across this one. So, this cannot be answered. So, with the same logic here, right. So, even though we have certain squares here, 4 is a square, 9 is a square, but the other numbers are not here, 1 1 2. To answer such questions, so looking carefully, so you should be able to recognize that in some cases I need to take pair of numbers and square them. That is, if I take pair 1 comma 1, that is 1 square 1. If I take the next pair 2 comma 4, I can write it as 2 comma 2 square. If I take the next pair 3 comma 9, I can write it as 3 comma 3 square, and hence easily you will discern that it should be 4 comma 4 square, that is 16. So, the next number is 16, right. So, continuing the squares and cube series example, you check this particular question here. 9 is given, 28 given, 126 is given. So, of course, 9 is a square, but none others are perfect squares here, right. So, you will find that perfect cubes are not also available, but however, taking a look deep at that one, you will find that 9 can be written as 2 cube plus 1. So, first you should concentrate on adjacent available numbers to discern a pattern, right. So, hence I can write this as 2 cube plus 1 and the next number as 3 cube plus 1. Obviously, my intuition tells that let me go through, so right, 4 raised to 3 plus 1, right. So, obviously 126 also already you have written it in the form of 5 raised to 3 plus 1, and hence going through this pattern 2 cube, 3 cube, and each time adding 1. So, hence you are having 4 cube plus 1, because the next justification is 5 cube plus 1, which you have already verified. So, hence the answer is 65. Right. So, in certain cases you need to apply more than one operation, right. So, the combination of different operations. So, this kind of series has more than one type of arithmetic operations which need to be performed here, or in the other case it can also have two different series, so which have been combined to form single series. So, let me consider the simple example here. So, if you see this one, so 1 3 6 2 6 9 comma 3 9. So, if I take the differences, check for increasing difference or decreasing difference or a square type or cube type. So, nothing fits here, right. So, then intuitionally I should seek for, so whether I can take group of 2 letters or 3 letters. In doing so, I will find that when I take group of 3 numbers here, that is, so to get the next number, so I should multiply previous number by 3, and if I add 3 to that one, I will get the next number, right, 136. The same pattern cannot be continued. So, hence I will take that the second number, the second as a second group, this one, right, and then so I will write this, this is the first term 2, and hence in order to get the next number, so I will write, so 2 into 3, I will get the next number 6, to which if I add 3, so I will get 9. So, hence with these two groups here, you have identified that the next number is obtained by multiplying 3 to it, but if I add 3 to it, I will get the next number also. That is, to get the second number, multiply 3, to get the third number, so add 3 to that one. So, other series also following that one, and hence the number will be, to get the next number, 3 is multiplied by 3. If I add 3 to that one, that is 9, 10, 11 here, right, 12. So, hence the next number will be 12 here, right. So, hope this appearance is entirely different from what we have seen in earlier examples, right. Hope you got the point here, right. So, let us consider this particular example, right, 6, 10, 7, 11, 8, 12. So, taken intact one after the another, if I able to identify the pattern in terms of differences or increasing, decreasing, or in terms of squares or in terms of pairs also. So, with the previous example, it will not work out. So, you will see again that, so such kind of questions might consist of two simple series. So, where, so the first series can be obtained by first number, third number, and so the fifth number, that is 1, 3, fifth positions, that is 6, 7, 8. Obviously, if this is the thing, next you will tell that the answer is 9, right. So, the next sequence here already you have noted down that, so 10, 11 and 12. So, since only one missing number is there, obviously this pattern is good enough, 6, 7, 8, to write 9 in the missing place here. Remember, these are just the explanation without number of options being given actually what appear in KCET examination. We will come across such examples with options here. So, some of the questions may not fall in earlier all the examples or varieties here. So, in such a case we need to check for whether they are directly the prime numbers or square of the prime numbers or cube of the prime numbers or some other operation need to be applied here. Say a simple example you take here 9, 25, 49, 21 all are perfect square, but if I break it into perfect square and write it, so 3 square, 5 square, 7 square, 11 square, 13 square, I observe that all are prime numbers and hence next should be a prime number and hence it is so 13 square here, that is so 3 square is 9, 5 square is 25, 7 square is 49, 11 square is 121, next prime number is 13, 13 square is the required answer is 169, that is the missing place how you obtain. So, by squaring the numbers, that is especially the prime numbers. So, let us check this particular example where 2 are missing here, right. So, again we can just catch hold of the information from the numbers which are adjacent to each other, right. So, you see that so 9 and 11, right. So, if I take the difference, so 10, 11, 2 is the difference. So, when 2 is the difference, the below question I will try to get it a difference of 2, that is 9, 8, right, 7, that is 6 I will write, right. So, if I write like this, so let us check whether you will get the next number with the same difference, right, no, right. So, hope this is the answer I have written and now you will be able to discern the pattern here, right. So, that is the 9, 11 which I take the difference, that is one term is missing 10. So, hence 9 below that one term should be missing, that should be 7. So, 7 one less missing term, so that is 5. So, 5 one less missing term, definitely it is 3, right. So, hence we have the answer 3, 7 here, right. So, hopefully, so in such cases wherever adjacent numbers are available, you note down a pattern whether you can discern a logic between these adjacent number. If only 2 are there, it may be become difficult in certain cases, but in case of this example obviously it worked out, right. So, the other kind of series may include the geometric progression as given here, right. So, 0, 3 by 4, 8 by 9, 15 by 16, 24 by 25. So, if I look at the numerators, obviously these kind of the numerators, so you check that, so how the things appear here, right. 0, 3 by 4, so 8 by 9, 15 by 16, 24 by 25. So, 0, 3, 8, 15, 24 not are all perfect squares or neither perfect cubes. Let us concentrate on denominator. If I write on the denominator, that is so 1, so 0 by 1, that is 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. See that these are the perfect square, hence I can write it in the terms of 1 square, 2 square, right, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, and hence the next number in the denominator should be 6 square, that is 36. And if you see above, so when I have the square 4, the numerator is 1 less than that one. So, when I have 9, it is 1 less than that one, and hence so when I have 6, 36 here, definitely numerator should be 1 less than that one, and hence it is 35 by 36. So, hence this is the correct option. So, remember that it is not only the unique or only approach to discern the pattern or identify the logic, right. There are many approaches based upon which, so tackling that one you can either identify the answers in different forms also. Say for example, the same appearance of these sequence of numbers can be understood in the form of this one, that is 1 minus n square, where n equal to 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5 and 1 by 6. Obviously, 1 by 1, that is, so the first number you will get 1 minus 1, 0. So, next when I put 1 by 2, that is 1 by 4, 1 minus 1 by 4 is 3 by 4. Likewise, I will get the other numbers, and obviously this will be one way, so to identify the next missing number, right. So, hence a particular question might be attempted with more than one approach, only you should say which you can catch hold of the pattern very quickly, right. So, in such particular cases this will be the obvious numerator 1 less than the denominator, where denominator is a perfect square, where in certain other cases, so you need to hardly work out for such kind of rules here, right. So, consider the next question. What is the following number in the series? Now, we can check that. So, the options are given here. So, remember that the missing place might vary from one exam to another exam, and of course, the number sequence also may vary here, all right. So, 720 into 720, that is 720, 720, 360, the missing number 30 comma 6 here, all right. So, in most of the cases to tackle such questions, it may be better way to examine backwards, that is starting from the last term, working your way up to the first term here, right. So, you can see that this if I write like this is one of the way I have written here. So, 6 5s are 30, right. So, that is the next number is question mark here, right. The next number is question mark here, this need to be identified, right. So, if 30 multiplied by which number, I will get this one. So, with this number when I multiplied by which number, I will get 360. Obviously, with the adjacent number, I have seen that here it is obvious me that 360 multiplied by 2 is 720 and 720 multiplied by 1 is 720, and obviously I have discerned a pattern here, 1 2 2 missing places 5, in the sense definitely these two should be 3 and 4, right, 3 and 4, and hence once I write 3 and 4 here. So, 30 into 4 and this number into, so 3, I will get the required answer. This is the way here, right. So, hence I will check that the missing place is 120, it should hold the number 120. So, which I have given here. So, the different way of looking at that one, so where the missing place, the same logic, but missing place has been changed here, right. So, in this particular case, obviously the logic might go like this, right. The same logic you can test for this also, not a problem here. So, 720 divided by 1 is 720, right. So, 720 divided by question mark is 360, right. 360 divided by 3 is 120, 120 divided by 4 is 30, 30 divided by 5 is 6, right. So, 6 divided by 6 is 1, right. 1 is additionally taken here in this particular example here. So, based upon this, so you will identify what should be the number here. Obviously, now you will tell that, so 1 3 4 5 is there. So, hence this number should be 2, right. So, hence 170 divided by 720 divided by 2, it will get 360, and you are going to write 360 here, right. So, similarly, when you apply the same logic to the same type of question where missing place is different, so definitely you will tell that, so this should be 1, right. So, 1, right. So, this 30, 120, 360, 720, 720, either the same this logic or the same logic, this will give you the required approach, right. So, the only thing is, so attempting such particular questions, you will be able to check, so how the pattern holds and what I need to do in such particular cases here, right. Considering the such kind of appearances, different approaches here, a single sequence made of alternating terms form two independent subsequences and combine them. Such questions might also be there here. So, 3, 8, 15, 24, 35. So, if you see here, so from this pattern what the answer I have written here, I will see that, so when the difference of two consecutive numbers are taken, so that differences goes on increasing by 2, right. So, first difference is 5 and the next difference I take 2 added to that one, 7, 9, 11, 30, right. So, likewise after 11, so the next difference should be 13, 1 increase. Definitely if I add 35, so 13 to 35 you will get the required number, that is 48. Hope you got the logic here, right. Similar example you will come across. So, the differences are increasing. So, 5, 6, 7, 2 numbers increasing, 8, 9. So, 10, 11, right, 7, 8, 9. So, 10, 11. So, 12, 13. Likewise the sequence goes on here, right. So, hope you got the answer very much clear. So, hence in the missing place I noted the differences, and hence I need to add 11 to 11, 2 in terms of different sequences I get 13, when 13 is added to 35 I get the required answer. So, that is 48. In certain cases missing places might not be there. So, which of the appearance of a particular number is wrong, we need to find out, that is which of the following is wrong in the following series. So, 2 comma 7 comma 25 77, so comma 238 comma 723. So, if you have a closer look to this one, so you will see that, so the logic that we can identify, say for example, looking at left to right here. So, I could have written this particular number 2 as 3 minus 1, the next number as, so 3 square minus 2, the next number as. So, once I get hold through two such adjacent numbers, obviously following the pattern will be easy, and I will try to write it and check whether whatever I have written correctly it is followed or not here. So, hence, so 3 minus 1 I got 2, 3 square minus 2 I got 7, hence I will check. So, 3 square minus 3 cube minus 3 I will write. So, that is 27 minus 3, right. So, here it should be 24, but 25 is there. However, I will continue with this one, where other logic the same pattern holds for other numbers, except it fails at this particular number. So, I will see that yes, 25 is it in the wrong place. Instead of 25, as far as my pattern tells, it should be 24, because 27 minus 3 should be 24, 25 is written. This is the wrong pattern, right. So, another way of looking for the answer is like this, right. So, 2 into 3 plus 1 is 7, 7 into 3 plus 3 is not 25, it is 24. I continuing that one, subsequent numbers are correct, and hence 25 is in wrong place. So, hence I will identify 25 as the option, that is option is D, right. Now, the combination might also be there, right. So, letter number series question might also be there here, and discerning the pattern maybe in most of the cases it will be easy when you get a combination of numbers and alphabets. So, here easily you will tell that, so Z, Y, X, W. So, if I take from right to left, you will tell that W, X, Y, Z, definitely the letter will be V here, right. So, if I check the number, so from the left side, so the pattern is very much easier here. So, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32, hence my answer is V 32, that is option A. So, you can prepare a certain kind of space work and work out there very easily. So, hence in this particular, so you saw that you had two sets of rules, right, the letters decreasing by 1 and the numbers doubling each time. So, I took the multiplication, you can see it in terms of doubling the numbers also, 2 double 4, 4 double 8, 8 double 16, 16 double 32. This is the another way of looking at for the series and answering the question here, right. So, this is the another one, choose the term which will continue the following series, right. E3C is there, G5F is there, I8I is there, K12L is there, alright. So, hence in between two letters one number is there. So, obviously it calls up for us to check whether a series appears for the first letters in all the groups here, in all the numbers here, and the second number whether a pattern is there, and the third again it is a letter whether a pattern is there. So, when I start looking at that one, I will see that E, after that G is there, that is F is skipping here. So, G, H skipping, I get I got the logic that in each subsequent cases one letter is being missed, that is, so E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, right. So, I, J, K, right. So, hence, so you will check that what will be the next number, obviously you got it, purposely I have highlighted two things here. So, only to check the logic whether you are sure or not here, right. So, E skip one letter, F, G, H skipped I, J skipped K, K skipped L, right. So, L is being skipped, M should be the next letter that will appear in group of 4 numbers here, right. So, hence, so M, that is, let us say M is here also, here also. Let us go further to the next number series. So, 3, 5, 8, 12. So, what you got it here, what should be the next number? If you have come across the previous examples and look at the 3, 5, 8, 12. So, you will see that the difference between the first and second number is 2 and second and third number is 3, that is the new difference number is going to increase by 1. So, 2 difference increase by 1, that is 3, 3 difference increase by 1, that is 4, and hence, so after 12, so 4 should be added, you will get 16 here, right. So, hence here 19 is there, here 16 is there, obviously you are come nearer to the answer and just justify. So, about C, F, I, L here, right. So, the last letter of second number is 3 terms ahead of last term of the previous one, right. So, you check that. So, C, D, E, right, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, hence O should come here, hence we have justified the answer. So, the answer is, so M, 160. So, the option D is the correct answer, not what I have highlighted here, this or neither this fitted into our pattern, that we need to check here, right. So, the next typical kind of series here, if you see at this one, so 3 places 3 are there, then comes 6, then again 3 comes, then again 9 comma 3 here, right. So, constant numbers are appearing, one skip is there, and again that number repeats, and the pattern again immediately changes in its appearances. So, in case when such things are to be looked, so you will see that, so you will find 2 inner series, so each of them following a different rule, that is odd terms remain constant, that is first, third position, fifth position and seventh position, whereas even terms you see 3 to 3, 6, right. So, 3, 6, if I check it immediately the difference is 3, if I add 3 to 6 one I will get 9, definitely the pattern is appearing, and hence I should write. So, 3 to I add 3 to 9, definitely the number 12 which I am seeking for here, right. The same can be understood in terms of this particular figure here, right. So, the another approach I have given here to look at, right. Hope you had a glance at this particular thing. So that I will move to the next question. See, this is the series, right, 2 1 1 by 2 1 by 4, right, little bit different from all earlier example. So, if you look at this one, tackling to identify, so what the logic might be behind. So, since there are 2 complete integers 2 comma 1 reduced by 1 and list all the fractions are there, immediately you check either half is there, 1/4 is there or 1/3 is there, right, that is what you search for. So, hence in this particular see you say that, so each number is 1/2 of the previous number, right, each number whatever you start from. So, either from right to left or left to right. So, 2 is there, the next number is 1/2 of the previous one, the next number is 1/2 of the previous one, the next number is 1/2 of the previous one, and hence this number should be 1 by 8. So, whose half is, so 1 by 4, hence answer is 1 by 8 here. So, in another way you can also check the logic that the number is divided by 2 successively in order to get the sequence here, that is 2 divided by 2 1, 1 divided by 2 1 by 2, 1 by 2 divided by 2 1 by 4, 1 by 4 divided by 2 is 1 by 8, that is the correct answer, right. So, hope you have got the hint that not only one way to identify the answer, there might be different approaches that you can use to tackle such questions here, right. Let us look at this particular series, which is little bit hard enough to easily discern the pattern here, 5 14 46 165. So, the space here 3 5 2 5, right. So, in such cases you need to work in the different way and check how the things appear here. They are not so simple as we had come across earlier one. You need to check whether multiplying with some number and adding some number I will get the subsequent numbers. So, if that is the true, so I will try to tackle on my workspace during my exam here. So, if I go through that and I will see such kind of pattern is obvious here, right. So, 5 into 1 plus 1 into 9 I will get 14. To the 14 number if I multiply it by 2, so keeping 9 if I multiply it by 2 and add it I will get 46. So, likewise the pattern is very much clear here in such logic. So, in this particular case 1 2 3 4. So, the resulting number is taken back here and here you see all are 9 here, right. So, going through this one, so that is 1 2 3 4, that is taking 165 multiplied by 4 to that. So, adding the number which we receive from 4 multiplied by 9 will yield 696, which appears as option D in this particular example, right. So, remember that. So, you should be carefully do that one and nothing might coincide A, B, C, D and you might result will be none of these also. You should be able to sure whether answer is existing or you have to decide on none of these, right. Simple what we had come across. Looking at the glance now with the different examples, you are able to tell that nothing much difficult is there, all are prime numbers and next is a prime number, right. So, obviously, you will identify what should be the next prime number after 19, right, that is 21. So, this is a series you will see that the difference between two consecutive numbers, right, not just the difference, it may not be easy taking the difference, and if you write the differences, a pattern may not exist, a sequence may not obtained. So, in such cases you need to go beyond that one, and if I take the difference, I will see that 20 minus 2 I will write, 74 minus 20 I will write, 110 minus 74 I will write. So, all those numbers I will write it and check that they are divisible by 18. Right. So, hence 20 minus 12 18. So, 20 minus 2 sorry here 18. So, which is divisible by 18. So, 74 minus 20 I get it 54, it is divisible by 18. 110 minus 74 it is divisible by 18, 36, and hence, so getting the number is easier here, right. So, hence if you do that one, so the next number will be 182. So, taking difference of 110 it will be 72 here, right. So, hence it will be divisible by 18, hence your resulting answer is 182. Right. So, I will leave it to you to have the both of approaches, whether adding the numbers I am getting or divisible by 18, which number should be multiplied or added to get the next number. Right. Now, this is the question missing term. So, with the options again given here, right. So, you will see that 8 is not a perfect square, but it is a perfect cube. However, the other numbers are not here, right. So, hence I will start taking the differences here. So, 12 and 8 difference is 4, that can be written as 2 square. So, 21 minus 12, so the difference is 9, obviously a pattern now is existing, now it becomes 3 square, it becomes 3 square. So, likewise, so 37 minus 21, right, it will give you 4 square, and definitely the next difference should be, that is 5 square, that is 25. So, since the difference I should get is 25, I add it to 37. So, I will get 62, and obviously B is the answer, right. So, in most of the cases perfect square, perfect cube, that I told in my earlier examples here. So, most of the cases you need to memorize, and memorizing the things brings you answer very quickly, not taking much of the time. So, obviously it is being suggested that at least first 30 squares and first 30 cube need to be memorized. So, that if certain questions require immediate attention, so recall should be there from your memory. So, if I check this 4, many examples are there without options I am giving here. So, few numbers are present. So, one of them has an error, pick the wrong one out, that is 4 options are given here. So, one of them is not in the correct form here. So, if you see at this particular number 3, 9, 15, 21, it is a simple arithmetic progression with a difference of 6. So, 3 plus 6 9, 9 plus 6 15, 15 plus 6 21. So, hence the difference, consecutive difference 6, it is an arithmetic progression. So, squaring this one I will get 9, 9 squaring 81, 15 squaring 225. Obviously, the second series is the square of the first numbers here. So, in third particular case, so it is not obvious that what I have done here will be done here, right. So, 441, it is a perfect square here. So, if you have memorized, and for our convenience let me recall the memory and place it here. So, 441 is a perfect square of 21. So, 529, so a perfect square of 23, in between one I have skipped here. So, 529. So, the next, if I see the next number 676, right. So, 676 I need to skip 2 perfect squares here, then I will get 676. So, the skipping pattern is clear now, 1 comma 2, and hence next I have to skip 3, that is this one and this one. Obviously, it should be 30 square 900, not 841, even though it is a perfect square here, right. So, the number of skips you need to identify 1, 2 and 3, and hence this is 841 is in wrong place. Instead, if 900 is there, it could have been correct. So, similarly you can check that this is also in correct series, right. Now, there might be certain other type of questions. So, what we had considered previous, there are so many varieties there. So, you need to work hard sorry, to check for the pattern here. So, here a different approach is there. An expression will be given to you, and the operators will be changed in the explanation, in the question. That is, in this particular case, so it is being given that plus means division, multiplication means minus, minus means multiplication, division means plus. So, then solve this particular expression. right. So, hence if given this independently, it is so easy. Now, since these are the things given to you appropriately, you need to make the replacement, and such questions are very easier to tackle, just it is the replacement and the computation. So, plus is there, and hence plus means a division, I will replace plus with the division here, and next minus is there. So, minus it is told as it is multiplication, I have written multiplication here. So, multiplication is told as it is minus. So, hence in place of multiplication I have written minus here. So, lastly the division appears, which tells that, so division means plus, I have written plus. So, once this I have written and followed correctly, any one place you miss it, you do not get the answer or you get the wrong answer, alright. So, hence you start with your expression evaluation, you know that division and multiplication are at the highest level from left to right, whichever first comes you will do that particular operation. Hence 38 divided by 19, whatever result multiplied by 16, to that result subtracted 17, and the resulting number you add 3, you get the answer as 18. So, this is how, so different meanings will appear and a different kind of expressions might be given. Just replace that one carefully and evaluate the expression to search for the required option. Alright. So, here the same thing, but different form here. So, instead of operators, so the letters are given and meaning of the letters are given above, that is where A appears it means plus, where B appears it means minus, where C appears you should take it as multiplication, D appears it means it as division. So, given this one, if I write it in my workspace and appropriately in place of letters I will put it and then do the evaluation here, 100 divided by 2, 5 into 3, 15 plus 10. So, 25, 25 minus 5, that is 20, option is 20. This is how I can discern the answer here, right. So, similarly this might be variation. Alright. So, pair of letters will be given and the symbol whatever is given, the meaning of that symbol is given in terms of mathematical operation, that is $Q means divide, P hash Q means subtract, P mod Q means P percent Q means add. So, P at Q means multiply. So, hence, so 70 hash 30, that is P mod Q means I will replace it by minus here, right. So, when 30% 80 is there, 30% 80, I will replace this by plus here, I will write it here plus here, right. So, when $80.20 divide, I will write the division here, and 20 at 10 means multiply, I will write multiplication and evaluate this particular expression. So, obviously it is easier to you, not much cracking about the evaluation here, you will see that the answer you will get is option B, right. So, the other approach. So, some symbols will be given like star or whatever case. So, appropriately replacing the operation, so a valid expression whether it results or not, from such things you need to identify, right. Say 96 star 6 star 8 star 2 is given, star is not a operation. So, here the 3 symbols are there, 3 operators are there. So, in such particular cases all the options you should try in your workspace. So, I have written here 96 6 8 2. So, all the 3 stars I will replace it by equal divide multiply, equal divide multiply. I will see that. So, 96 if I do here 6 divided by 8. So, I will get 3 divided by 4 multiplied by 2 is 3 divided by 2, 3 divided by 2 is not equal to 96, hence this is not a valid option. I will go to second, again similarly when I substitute for the second, equal to comes here with the substitution, alright. So, I will see that 96 multiplied by 6 is not equal to 4, that is 8 divided by 2. So, when I go for the third option, I will see that 96 divided by 6, that is 16, it will get 8 to the 16, 16 equal to 16, obviously option C is the correct answer, no need to go for the next option here. So, hence the answer C is there. Hope you got it. So, you have to replace each symbol in your workspace and check for LHS equal to RHS, right. So, this is the another kind of sequence of numbers where the appearance is quite clumsy, long sequence complexity increases, right. So, but however, the question asked here is very simple, so that you can start glancing the answer very easily. So, in this series how many pairs of successive numbers have a difference of 2 each, right. So, difference of 2 each in the pair of numbers consecutively you have to check it. Say for example, starting from the left you start your journey, that is difference between 6 and 4, that is 2, 4 and 1 that is 3, it is not a pair, this is one pair. So, similarly this will not be a pair, this will not be a pair, this will not be a pair. However, 8 minus 7 2, this will be a pair. So, 4 comma 2, this will be a pair, 2 comma 1. So, likewise you are going from left to right carefully, you should not miss out any pair in the sequence when you consider. Obviously, when you do this one very carefully, so these seem to be very easy, but possibility is large that you skip one of the pairs. That is what we have experienced most of the times. So, one or two pairs you need not notice, or in the hurry going through, so you will skip one of them and you will leave the answer and may choose the incorrect answer. But in this particular answer, so the number of such pairs will appear to be 6 pairs. So, you check from left to right, I will leave it to you. So, 6 pairs is there. So, this is how related to number series. So, variety of questions with the different forms we have tried to attempt, we have attempted here. So, I have tried to justify. So, check that. One thing what I have to tell is that, so one of the approaches or more than one approach I could have attempted in certain multiple choice sessions. You should be aware that so solving is not a unique way here in such multiple choice questions. So, you might have more than one particular logic you can identify or pattern you can identify, which will help you in deciding what should be the answer. So, however, it is important to know how many other options are there to solve the same question. That is very important. So, in the practice here, for given each such question in the solved question papers, you should check for each particular question, is the explanation for the answer given is the only way or there are other options. So, that practice makes you perfect, and answering the multiple choice questions related to mathematical reason either for alphabetic series or for the number series will not be a problem, right. So, hence, so with elementary mathematics, mathematics does not become hard when you attempt the KCET exam. For this particular module, you will be able to answer the multiple choice questions very easily with noting such patterns and practicing on such questions as I have told. So, taking the mock test again and again. So, wherever you are not able to discern the pattern, look at the solved things and check. So, options that is the required answer can be attempted in one way or more than one way, and whichever is easier to be grasped here, you can note it in the memory and check for some other similar examples, right. So, hence thank you all of you for joining this particular series of lecture. Thank you.
ಇಲ್ಲಿಯವರೆಗೆ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸ ನೀಡಿದ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಜಿ ರಜಪೂತ್ ಅವರಿಗೆ ವಂದನೆಗಳು. ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಭೇಟಿ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.